one specific aspect of birds in ancient Egypt is the fact that after 700 BC, essentially for 1,000 years, some species of bird, especially the ibis and the falcons, were venerated, and as such, there were temples located all over the country, and associated with those temples would have been areas where those birds, like thousands of ibises and falcon, would have been raised in captivity or captured in the wild. And the fate of those birds, unfortunately, was to become mummies. And the mummies were eventually offered to the main god of those temples. That would be the god Horus, the falcon god Horus, or the ibis god Thoth. And so those are the most common mummies, and we're talking millions of mummies manufactured during that 1,000 years. Those mummies would eventually be deposited in catacombs and in unused tombs that we're still finding some of those to this day.